Hello and welcome to the Mike Less Farmhand Mike YouTube channel, bringing you some of the biggest and best variety and definitely the most versatile farming content on social media today. You can find me on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Farmhand Mike. Hey everyone, in this video I am out here with Wasson Farms out of Union City, Indiana, as they're doing a custom field tile job for a farm kind of between Palestine and New Madison, Ohio. In this video, you're going to see a bunch of New Holland equipment, stringing a tile out there, running their Ford New Holland 8770 Genesis tractor you see there, and then putting a tile in the ground there using their New Holland T9.700 track tractor with a Crary Tile Plow. Also in the video, you're going to see their New Holland track skid loader and their New Holland excavator. And if you've been watching my YouTube channel for many years, you know I've done quite a few field tile videos over the years, and a lot of times when I do these field tile videos, the jobs that the guys are on, they just put a new main in. Now the only difference here, these guys are putting a tile into a main, but the main was already put in this field years ago. So if you look around, you see the excavator and the guys over there, they're actually probing, finding that main, and then they're digging down to that main to put their T in. I don't know for sure because I didn't ask, but I think they're only tiling this one corner of the field here. So I think the main was put in years ago on another job. They're just teeing in and retiling or redoing this part of the field. Another thing I should mention, since a lot of my videos do have a story to them, this turned out to be one of those bonus videos. Now, if you just watched my recent field tile video where I was over in Indiana, there was a Deutz Far tractor and a Challenger tractor both pulling trenchers installing field tile. I was actually on my way back home from that video shoot, and right now I'm just about 8 miles from my house here. I seen these guys out here running, so I know them. I don't know them well, but anyways, it all worked out. And obviously, they said, yep, go ahead and video. And not only that, I have never filmed one of these New Holland track tractors that I can remember that wasn't at a farm show. This just worked out perfect. So this New Holland track tractor you see here is very, very similar to the Case International Quad Track. The big difference is the tracks themselves. Of course, you know Case and New Holland are the same company, but there is differences between their tractors other than blue and red, and the tracks are different on the track tractors as you see here. Now the Crary Tile Plow you see right there, I've done tile plow videos where they're pulled with the drawbar, they're a 3-point hitch mount. This one here is actually a frame mount right to the tractor. So the articulated four-wheel drive tractors by New Holland and Case International are built in the same factory in Fargo, North Dakota. Of course, the difference in colors between blue and red is one big thing, and the Case International Quad Track versus the New Holland track tractor, difference in the tracks. I think some of the controls in the cab might be a little different, but other than that, same engine, same transmission, axles, stuff like that. At least I think that's how it all works, and if I'm wrong, that's what the comment section's for, because someone will certainly correct me, and I believe there is a small percentage of people that actually watch my videos just to find something to tell me I'm wrong. But one thing I do know, you're going to see footage on my channel you're not going to see anywhere else, so let's watch these tractors in action. I got lots of good drone shots, lots of good on-the-ground shots of this equipment in action. Now, one thing I do find very neat here is to notice the way when they come to the end of the tile here, they're bringing this all in a circle right here. Now, this part of the field has got to be so well drained. The next time we get a big rain at home, I think I got to drive by here and actually see if this part of the field dries out a lot quicker than the rest of it. So here in Darke County, Ohio, if we average like 200 bushel an acre corn, this part of the field is going to make 300 or 400 bushel an acre easy. No, all kidding aside, putting field drainage in the fields in this part of the world definitely pays for itself. It helps increase our yields, helps us get in the fields in a timely manner and so forth when it's time to be in the fields and get those crops growing. As you know, I do YouTube videos all over the country in my travels and so forth. So when I talk to the guys out west, like in western Kansas, eastern Colorado, western Nebraska and so forth about field tile, it's hard for them to comprehend. We get enough rain here that we're trying to get rid of water and get some drainage, and they're doing everything they can where they live to conserve moisture to actually grow a crop. And as I've mentioned in other videos, growing up in Ohio, working on the family farm, I just assumed as a kid everybody in this country farmed the same way we did. That's just how it was. But then when I got into the farm equipment business and started traveling all over the country, and you got different climates, different soil types, stuff like that. So what works in your area doesn't necessarily work somewhere else. That's why I am just glad that I'm able to share all this on YouTube and show this so everybody understands that. All right, I'll quit talking now and we'll listen to this machinery in action. going to wrap up this video. If you did like this video, please go down there and hit that like button. Feel free to comment below. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, I would really appreciate it if you would go down there and hit that subscribe button. Check back often. Always lots of new and exciting videos coming to my YouTube channel. And if you want to see more of what I'm doing, you can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching and supporting my social media.